Hey folks, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. And I recently had a conversation with a client about company pages. And my conversation is, or my recommendation about company pages is that you should have one. And no matter how big your company is, I'm a team of a company of three, and so I have a company page. And I don't. My company page is not huge. It's not immense. Here's mine right here. It's pretty simple and straightforward. I have an overview or about section, and I share a little bit of content in here on a fairly regular basis. But I think it's important that you have a company page. Now, not all of us can be Cisco with 2.7 million followers and 91,000 employees. However, we can still have a presence on LinkedIn, and if we have a company page presence, then we're gonna see our logo there. Unlike some others, that you're gonna see this this ghost image. And another thing that happens is that when people do a LinkedIn search for your company, then they're going to see the ghost image there as well. And if you didn't create a company page at all, it's not totally unlikely that LinkedIn automatically created this blank company page. They scraped some data from LinkedIn profiles and put it in here for people who associate themselves with this company, and this one in cases in Houston, Texas. So again, I recommend that you have a LinkedIn company page, especially if your target audience is all over LinkedIn, and seriously consider getting it converted from this automatically created to something more meaningful. I have the steps to do that. If you want help converting your ghost LinkedIn company page to a real LinkedIn company page, maybe as nice looking as Cisco's, then let me know and I'd love to help you. LinkedIn company pages are important. LinkedIn company pages that are ghost pages are just, in my opinion, disrespectful to your brand, especially if your target audience is on LinkedIn. I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. Let me know if I can help you. Have a great day.